What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Generac 3160 pressure washer. Now I really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year before fall hits or something like that, because I really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which like I said, it did get used back in like June. It's the second since the whole July in my opinion, which like I said, I mean you can tell this thing's been, like I said, this machine does not get used as often. I mean, you could tell this thing has been used almost like quite a bit, but this does not get used as often, you can see, because a lot of times the machine has been used almost like quite a bit, because you see how much excited this machine is, like, which just definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So, I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year, but you know how excited this machine's been used almost a couple of times already, which just definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. And I know how excited this machine's been used almost like every single time this machine is like, which, I mean, it's a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, but it's definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So you know how I suspected this machine's get used almost like quite a bit. And it will get used again at some point this year, but if not, then I hope at some point this year will get used at some point this year. But you know how I suspected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit of times, because you see how I suspected this machine's been used almost like every single time this machine is like it, because I mean I do like this machine a lot, because you see how I expected this machine is like it. It definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So I hope at some point this thing will get used again at some point this year, and I hope this thing will get used.